Hello everyone. In this video we're going to specifically talk about Mistral AI and how it's, in my opinion, better than ChatGPT. So right here we have the Mistral AI website open, and I'm going to tell you some of the very good key features this AI chatbot has that ChatGPT doesn't. In the case, we have the web search. So as you know, all chatbots are essentially using the web for information, but you can sometimes make it think on its own, basically get information from its database. In this case, if we use web search, it's going to ask for it's going to search the web and then give you the site it's got its information from directly. We have image generation when it's completely free to use, and then interpreter, which is gonna help you find where your mistakes are. But I think mine and many other developer features are the canvas, which is essentially a way for you to AI generate application pages. I mean, just look at this. We're gonna ask it to make us a calculator app, and it's going to do exactly that in React. And any second now it should open the so-called canvas, and there we go, we have a calculator and it's fully functional, as you can see. So that's why Mistral, I think, is the best one of the best AI chatbots for any developers or programmers or just anyone who's interested in coding or trying to learn about web applications. So anyways, that's my opinion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe this video if you want more discussions like this. And I hope you have a great day, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.